inside. Oh no. Whoa. Hello everyone, it's 9:30 a.m. in the morning, day 3, and we are leaving from Lower Dungeshwor. Today I fill up 2 liters of petrol in my fuel tank. From that hotel they gave me petrol in a bottle because I was scared that if I will get petrol up or not. So they charged me like 135 per liter, so that was pretty decent because in Surkhet we fill up in 114 per liter. Beautiful morning, beautiful road and beautiful people. Thank you everyone for watching till now. I'm trying to cover as much as possible. Today I think I forgot to tell you about my kilometer reading. Right now it's 670.8 kilometer. Looks like there is a traffic jam. Look at this. Look at this. Looks like even touching. Oh my god, they have to pass those small gap. There's no place in between. Expert driver, expert. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Off-roading. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh shit. These buses, how can they go in this road? Oh my god. Shit. Look at this, there's a nice road as well, and it's fun riding a nice road. This road is really awesome, you know, because we are going together with the river, so riding by the river, it's almost like a ocean drive kind of thing, but it's a river drive and it's still flowing, and the feeling when you ride the bike is really awesome, you know. Sunny Kola. Look at this amazing breeze. Oh no, what is this? Oh no, I'm inside. Oh no. Whoa. Yeah. Oh no, this is really impossible. Yeah. That was a hell of a road, but I made it. The situation is really bad right now. The Sachet has tire breakers, and now I'm going to find out other friends and let them know about that. So we have to wait for the tire to get fixed. Yeah, waterfall through the road. Waterfall through the road. Yeah. That was one hell of a road. There's one more big waterfall. We reached Kalekola Bridge and the awesome. That's a long one. Awesome places. Wow. Hello, we reached Manma, Kalikotko, Sadramukam, and we just did the oiling in our bike in this Bajaj authorized service center. It's 4:53 p.m. and we are heading towards Nagma from Manma. Manma to Nagma road is pretty fine. That's not so much of off-road right now. As soon as you cross the Manma, it's a little chilled, so it's cold, and you need a proper jacket to ride here. It's already 5:53 p.m. and we ride about 782 kilometers. Beautiful river. Oh my goodness, this road is called road. Let's go and see what's there. तपाईहरुको यात्रा सफल होस्. Best of luck for your ride. We just reached Takula village, and it's beautiful village. Look at the waterfall. It's nice. Nice river. Now I have to cross this river. Oh wow. A strong one. Yeah. We're all set to go to Rara. This is our fourth day. 6:23 a.m. in the morning, and 810 kilometer starting point. So we'll just go to fill up the fuel. This is the oil center of Nagma. This is how they give us fuel. Yeah, because of the rain we had to stop and had our breakfast. The rain is a little bit low now, and hopefully we can ride it nicely. It's 8:15 a.m. already. Look at that bridge. Wow, really cool one. all roads are like this. Oh, they're constructing the road over there. Oh, looks like the road is closed. What happened? Oh, full stock. This place name is Gothe Jumla, Sinjar Valley, and we are having our lunch. So we're living here after the lunch time, riding back on bike. Okay, just had our tea in Pulvule Jumla, Lekali Rara Hotel. It's 3:46 p.m. and we kilometer reading is 875 kilometer. Let's check what happened. Why the bus is stopping? The dozer is working, making the road, so we have to wait for a few minutes or hour, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, looks like the road is open now. Let's go. Okay, this is the final checkpoint, I guess, before we reach the Talcha, and this is a very cool checkpost. There is no post. There's just the two policemen, one just here wave the hands and then give it. The pickup truck got stuck. Sokcham, the pickup cock was stuck in Yaki Mark. We're asking for the road, which way? So they say left, let's go left. The roads are all closed due to the landslides and all, so we cannot go on back to Rara Lake. So we have to walk from Talcha to Rara Lake. We'll keep our bikes in Talcha. It's okay, Talcha is also a beautiful place and we'll stay there. And hiking is also a good thing to do, not just biking. And just like my previous Langtang trip, my back tail, right, Chilame, and then hike. You can, if you haven't watched that video, do watch it. Okay, so bike doesn't go till hotel, so this is the place to keep bikes. Hello everyone, we are at Talcha Airport, rocking in the house. Yeah, walking in the runway. We're having lots of fun. Talcha Airport. Run. Yeah, we are having fun in Talcha runway. This is the airport, and actually we are walking. Isn't this amazing? Like in other airport we cannot walk like this, but in this Talcha airport we can walk and dance and do whatever we like. Have fun. Bye.